Have you ever pushed a yellow banana or danced with a green frog? Can you clap your hands like a blue crab? 1, 2, 3. Clouds are white, so are daisies. I like to smell the daisies. White,
Red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple, brown, black, white. Do you see something that is orange?
Orange.
An orange fish.
hello, stars. Welcome to my playroom. Today, we're going to explore Rainbow Street. Wow, there's so many colorful houses. Can you see house number 1? Yes, that's house number 1. It's a purple house. Purple. What's inside? 1 purple pony. This house is blue. Blue. What's inside? 2 blue dogs. This house is yellow. What's
Yellow.
inside? 3 yellow cats. This house is red. What's inside? 4 red rabbits. This house is green.
Green.
What's inside? 5 green frogs. This house is orange.
Orange.
What's inside? 6 orange fish.
Do you see something that is orange?
Orange.
An orange submarine. Orange.
I live in a yellow house. Can you find my house? Hello. 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 My name's Miss Klasa. Hello. Hello. What is your name? Here is a handshake. I'm glad to meet you. Yay! Hello. Hello. It's nice to see you again.
Red, blue,
Yellow. Green.
red, blue,